Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free AI chatbot using Poly.ai. So first of all, you can download this Poly.ai for chatbot on your Android, so you can download it and explore the newest features, right? So as you can see right here, if you went to the Poly.ai, you need to request a demo in order to actually use it on your PC. So it's really it's new, so it needs time to be out in the public, and probably this is not the one that actually related to the game. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just see right here, this is the original basically game, right? Or sorry, the AI, and you can download it to your Android. Basically, you're gonna be able right here to see something similar like this. Once you download it on your PC, like we showed you in the website, you can request for a demo and wait for it until you get the invitation. And as you can see, you will see something like this one, right? And you're gonna be able to interact with this chatbot, and then you're gonna be able to generate characters right here, or see characters already to actually have a conversation with them, right? And you're gonna be able to actually engage with celebrities and see their responses. And then you're gonna create a character or create a name for yourself and subtitle. And then basically if you want to make your profile public, you can do that. And then basically you can start engaging with the characters from movies to animes and shows and all that stuff. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.